Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your OUKITEL WP300. So first, let me quickly enter the password. Now, what you guys want to do first is clean the microphone port using a non-metallic tool. If you use something metallic, then you can only damage the port even more, and you definitely do not want to do that. Now, what you guys want to do is, what I like to do here is I like to open up the camera and swap to video. Now, I always like to record at least 5 seconds of me talking, so now I'll just stop recording and see if there's a sound. Let me quickly lower the volume a bit. Now, I always like to record so we definitely get the sound. Now, that means our microphone is working, so this is kind of a test mic. Now, what we want to do next is restart our phone, because this way we will refresh the entire system and eliminate any random glitches that just occur. And now we want to hold the power button only, and here tap restart and click OK. Now the phone is restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once it restarts. Now, after the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is update your software to fix any mic glitches. So, let's go over and go to the settings. Now, in the settings, we want to scroll a bit down until we see system almost at the bottom. Here, we tap on the system, we go to system updates, and as you guys can see, our system is up to date. But if we check for update here, we will make sure. Now, if you have an option to install the newest version, then make sure to do that, because it's very important to keep up with it. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.